Now, after we have seen most of the frequently used methods in data types, let's give a couple of minutes to understand sets. There are four major set operations. Union, which takes the distinct elements from both the sets. Intersection, which takes only the common elements in both the sets. Difference, this will take all the elements from one set and which are missing from the second set. And symmetrical difference, this will return all the elements which are in either of the two sets but not in both. Okay, so let's take them one by one. In our example, we have two sets, set 1 with all the numbers from 1 till 20 and set 2 with only the odd numbers from 1 till 30. So now when we are going to take union, okay, let's see what it will do. It's going to take all the distinct elements. That means all the elements which are either in any of these sets or even if it's repeated, doesn't matter. So that means if we start from 1 till 29, right, we will get all the elements 1 till 20, and after that we will get this additional elements. So that will complete the entire spectrum. So let's run it to see. So union of set 1 and 2 has taken all the numbers from 1 till 20 and then 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So this is the entire set. So technically what has happened is we have a superset which will include all the elements from set 1 as well as set 2. The elements which were repeated will be there but only once. Okay. Now let's look into intersection. So intersection is going to give us elements which are common in both. So in this example, we will get all the numbers, odd numbers between 1 and 20, correct? So let's run it to see. So as you can see, in case of intersection, we have received all the numbers, odd numbers between 1 to 20. Now let's look into difference. So in difference, it's very simple. It's just like subtraction. It will take all the elements in set 1 and missing from set 2. That means they should not be common. So that means if we take set 1, it has all the numbers from 1 till 20, and the ones which are not in set 2 would be all the even numbers from 1 till 20. So let's run it. So you'll see we have got all the even numbers from 1 till 20. And then fourth, the symmetrical difference. It's going to take the elements which are in either of the two sets but not in both. What does it mean technically is the elements which are unique, which are not common. So for example, in this case, we will see even numbers from 1 till 20, they would be common. And then odd numbers from 21 to 30. I'm sorry, even numbers from 1 till 20, which are unique, and odd numbers after 20, that is 21 till 29, which are unique in set 2. So let's run it and see what's the output. So as you can see, even numbers from 2 till 20, that is 1 to 20, and then odd numbers thereafter. So with that, we are done with sets operation, the basic ones. Now let's move on to indexing and slicing.